snow across most of the northern half of Illinois. Back into Missouri, this storm, as I mentioned, affecting about 30 states. The red area, a blizzard warning in effect until tomorrow afternoon. So we continue with blizzard conditions around Chicago.
Anticipated blizzard is upon us. And from the Joint Operations Center, all city departments are...
Temperature is. And this stairs I shoveled, swept only about 30 minutes ago. And it's already full. And it's cold. It's nasty winter in Chicago.
These are the types of conditions you will see, and it is the gusts that really make it difficult on the road. It can reduce your visibility. I'm doing my best to travel.
Look at this snow. It's absolutely no cars. Look at this. Isn't that crazy? This is the view of Roscoe facing east. I am going to take a picture of this tomorrow morning and see how much these cars are buried under snow. February 2nd. It's about 2 a.m. It hasn't stopped. It's been like this since 3 o'clock on Tuesday. February 2nd, Wednesday, about 8 a.m. This is how the street looks. So how am I going to cross this? Where do I get over to my house, my side of the house? Snow is coming down again. They're saying that I was expecting another storm. Bell Street, looking north. He's trying to get out of the spot.
Rachel.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, Rachel. Are you missing this beautiful weather?
Yeah, right. Their high temperature must be in the 80s today. This one is about to get out, and here this one is completely covered. Here's a four-wheel drive car. You can't get out of there. You need a help?
I think we're gonna, my cousin, get him a snowblower here.
It's not gonna do anything. We have to get a snowblower. This is how the side street look. These cars are not gonna get out for a while. This is smart people. They kept the windshield wiper up so it doesn't freeze and stick to it. These two cars. It's Boba and time. At least a day or probably a couple of days. Yeah, a couple of days. What street we're on? Jansen, I think. The only thing running is the L. This is Roscoe. Only one four-wheel went by. And that made us to be able to walk. That's where Boba and they are moving along. Still gusting snow and wind. This is the alley of Seminary.
No.
It's gonna take a couple of days before they can even put their car out the garage. We walked over this to thick here. Lake, Belmont Harbor, and the Lakeshore Drive up there was shut down since yesterday evening. Too many cars got stranded last night. It's at Lakeshore Drive, no cars.
Shut down.
Cars at Lakeshore.
Yeah, no cars. We walked to the lakefront. Whoa! It's slippery here, and that's Lake Michigan. I don't know how fast the wind is going. Whoa! Better hold myself tight. This is really cold. There's some water, fresh water. It's all lake. I have never seen Lake Michigan like this. Tons of people. You can see a part of the... No, you can't see it downtown. So... That's all you know, huh? You don't know any other words?
Oh, I see it.
See it? We walked to Diversity and came under the Lakeshore Drive to get over to the park side, away from the lakefront. And I see a lot of cars are still stuck on Lakeshore Drive. They're trying to tow those cars away from it. Oh my God, look at this pile. Stop! The bar, this is a third bar that is open. All right, we're going in. Are we going in there?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Hold it. Let me see your face. Boba, let me see your face. Who did that to you?
Eric, kill him.
All right, we'll go in. This is the third one that is open. Wow, we've been walking like 2-3 hours.
Familiar. Cars frozen in time. Literally a chilling reminder of the blizzard that blew in.
Have to apply some sort of salt and some melting device to make sure that the drive is ready, though, right, Mike?
They are working on doing just that, and they're going to be doing it overnight, Ron.
Today is the 4th day after the big blizzard. And these are my neighbor's garage. They shoveled the front of the garage, but they haven't got out yet. And here's another one next to it. Then look, so much high pile of snow that I can't get out this way. And somebody stuck a Christmas tree up there. Well, this ends the blizzard of 2011.